Hello, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we're out here with a beautiful 1974 Triumph T100. As you can see, it's in awesome condition, a lovely bike. Really matches the Cotswold countryside well. So what I'm going to do now is take you around the bike, show you how to start it. Okay, so here's the beautiful T100. It's in speed twin colours. Apparently this was the colours it left the factory, which is quite rare. Anyone looking at it would think it is a speed twin, obviously. So you can see it's really nice condition. It's an older restoration. Looks beautiful with the chrome and gold pinstripe maroon tank. It's got the lovely pre-unit engine, the iron head, lovely chrome rims. So you've got a lovely period headlamp here. Looks like it's got its original glass. So all these little things on these 40 bikes I really like. They just go to every little detail. Got a beautiful 120 mph speedo. Got your oil pressure gauge, the ammeter. Just a lovely thing, really. Nice thing to look at even if you're not riding. But they're actually really nice bikes to ride as well, very capable for the time. So what we'll do now, as you can see, I have had it started earlier. So you've got your fuel taps on here. There's the off position, that's reserve. You've got your oil pressure gauge like switch here, so this will pop out. So that's a nice visual to see that you've got oil pressure rather than looking in under the cap. So you've got your tap on. This is choke off because I've already started it, and also when it's cold you want to tickle the float chamber here until fuel comes out this little hole. But it's quite an easy bike to start, so all you need to do, give it a nice firm kick. That's it. Thank you for watching this video of the 1974 Triumph T100. If you fancy winning this bike, go to the website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are $2.99. If this is an older competition, still have a look at the site because we've got lots of nice prizes, lots of old classic bikes on there usually, so check it out, and if you do enter, good luck.